What's going on? It's Captain Sean with Catalina crew, and this is our first tutorial video. Owning a yacht is expensive, but maintaining a yacht is expensive as well, but it's the key to keeping your yacht happy. Let's go. Here in Marina Del Rey, California, Catalina crew has a lot of vendor partnerships, and throughout our instructional videos, you will meet those vendor partners. My number one guy for detailing the boats is Kenny at Right Now 360 Mobile Detail, and this is the company he owns. This is right-hand man Jody. And what we are gonna do is, they've already cleaned the starboard side of the boat. Now we're gonna flip it onto the port side so they can clean that side of the vessel. This is our first mate, my boy Logan. He's not feeling too good right now, but he's gonna go along for the ride. So we're gonna do a step-by-step tutorial of how to spin this vessel.
Yes, we are.
Everyone get their radios and lock and load. Remember to pound that subscribe button and watch out for our next Catalina crew adventure. Live to tell the tale. All right, untie the bow line. Untie the bow line.
We all untied.
Come on, line in.
We're 7 feet, 5 feet from the dock. Right now we're about 8 feet.
All right. Thank you.
The dock right now.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, and what you want to do with this, I'm not even touching the wheel. All I'm using is my hand controls. The good captain, you always got to stay at a level head. Right now we probably got wind from the northwest blowing at like 20 knots. So you just got to take all that stuff into account. And our thruster that we have on this boat, this is a hydraulic thruster. So you can actually use a little bit longer than a normal electric thruster. And it really gets you out of some sticky situations. All right, I'm about to spin her. As you're gonna see in the drone aerial photography we're taking right now, you're gonna see how wide our channel is. It's probably about 120 feet wide. So we do have a little bit of room for error, not much, but you shall see. Let me know how much room I have on that lagoon aft.
You have about a good 20 feet.
Aye, Kenny.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and sometimes to spin it on a dime, you'll go forward in one control, reverse in the other. Sometimes I like to just go reverse on the control I'm using and use the bow thruster to get my forward momentum. And especially on this vessel, this one's 91 gross tons, so a little over 180,000 pounds. So we have no stern thruster on this either, but you don't really need one.
Lines are switching in front.
Yeah, switch. Run it through the forward cleat hole.
Copy that. Carolina, please Carolina.
Now we're coming up on the dock. Dock's on our port. Like I said, we got a 20-25 mile an hour wind coming from the northwest, and our dock is directly into the wind.
Backside first, right?
Yeah, correct. Just tell me when you're on the dock, and also tell me how close I'm getting, and then forward line, aft line.
You're cutting about 30 feet close. From the back and the front, you're a little closer. Okay, you're cutting about a good 16 feet. Coming close, we're about a good 8 feet. Yes, sir. About a good 5 feet. About 3 feet. Closed in. I'm on the dock.
Good, good. Get that forward line, and I'll back her up, and then we'll tie the aft, tie the forward, and we're good to go. So that is how you dock a 100-foot boat. Good job, crew. Good job. Remember to,
Catalina crew.
there we go. There we go. Remember to pound that. Remember to pound that subscribe button. And like I said, stay out for our next adventure. We're actually going to the Monaco Yacht Show, so we're going to be filming a lot of content there. Stay tuned because it's just going to be sicker and sicker. Appreciate everyone checking it out, and live to tell the tale. Peace.